Hello everyone, friends on the Weller channel. Today I will show you how to install Docker on Windows 11. To do this, go to any browser. Right here, Docker for Windows. Select Install Docker Desktop on Windows. And accordingly, we need WSL. To do this, you need to find WSL somewhere here. Here it is. Open Windows PowerShell, right? To do this, write PowerShell. Open it as an administrator. So copy WSL install. Press enter and then WSL update. We are waiting. In the meantime, let's download Docker itself. Click Docker for Desktop. An installation file like this is downloaded. Here we are, waiting for it to settle. Oh, by the way, also check if you have virtualization enabled. To do this, we will have to go to the Task Manager. Here, go to, I don't remember. Performance, yes, and here is CPU, and here is virtualization. Pay attention to whether you have it enabled. And then I wait for it to settle. So accordingly, the installation passed. I go back to Chrome, yes, and copy the WSL update just in case. And there is even further installation, the inclusion of some features. We are waiting. So we have WSL installed. Yes, I'll come back here. Right here, so I'll restart PowerShell now. And I'm writing WSL here, and well, to be more precise, you can write update if you have already installed WSL once. If not, then you can just check the version here using this command. Here, let's throw versions, please. Next, then open the installation file. We are waiting. And, well, by the way, you will definitely have such a thing if everything is installed correctly. Here, Docker, now, let's wait. It will open. So, we open the installer. Click OK. And we wait. Well, after the installation is complete, just click Close, and your computer will reboot. So you open Docker. Maybe it won't open for me now because I didn't restart my computer, but you understand. You restart your computer and everything works. That's it. Well, you never know. It can start. Yes, it started for me. There you go. Weller was with you. Like, subscribe to the channel. Bye, everyone.